Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer medical appointments with Zocdoc, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your medical appointments with Zocdoc, begin by logging into your Zocdoc account. Once logged in, navigate to the appointments section in the main menu. Locate the appointment you wish to transfer. Click on the appointment to open the details. In the appointment details, look for the Transfer Appointment option. Select that option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the new patient's information. Fill in the necessary fields, including their name, email, and phone number. Review the information carefully to ensure its accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit Transfer button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is successful. The new patient will receive an email notification about the transferred appointment. They can then accept or decline the appointment based on their availability. If the transfer is accepted, the appointment will be officially moved to their account. If there are any issues during the transfer, you will receive an error notification. You can always revisit the appointments section to check the status of the transfer. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Zocdoc's customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.